Stephanie and welcome to Camp Conray. Today we're going to be talking about constellations. First, I want you guys to close your eyes and imagine you're looking up at the night sky. What do you see? Probably hundreds and hundreds of stars. Well, do you know who created those stars? Well, God did, and He created us too. Today we're going to be learning about constellation stars and why God created them. First, I'm going to give you guys some facts. Did you know that the light from the stars you see today is the same that the dinosaurs saw years ago? Light travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second. Yet it still takes years for it to reach the Earth. Some light of some stars will never reach the Earth since they're so far away. Besides our star, the next closest star we have is Sirius, which is 8.6 light years away. Well, now let's move on to constellations. There's constellations on the worksheet given to you. Take a marker and the paper from your bag, and we're going to connect the dots to make a constellation. I'm going to be showing you guys an example of a different constellation that you probably know, the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper.